Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing very well. You guys have been loving my makeup videos, so I thought of creating another makeup look for the festive season. This is the makeup look I am going to be creating today. Before we jump ahead into the video, you know what you have to do. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Also, don't forget to follow me on my Instagram page. My Instagram handle is mentioned on the screen. Now let's get started. For my base, I am mixing this Mascara illuminating base and the foundation from Lakme. Both of this will give a very nice glow to your skin, which would look absolutely amazing during the festivities. For concealing my dark circles, I am using this concealer from Miss Claire. Let me tell you, it is one of the best creamy concealers out there. For brightening my under eyes, I am going ahead with this concealer from Colourpop. The formulation is absolutely amazing. After I have applied the cream products, now moving ahead with this powder product from Faces, I am now setting my face. For brows, I am going ahead with this NYX Brow Tinted Mascara. This is a very nice product if you want fine brows with less effort. Taking this brown shade from the Wet n Wild Rose in the Air palette, I am placing it mostly on my crease and dragging downwards slowly. Taking this orange shade from the palette, I am concentrating it on the crease. Now going back to the same shade, I am intensifying it across my crease, slowly dragging it upwards. Taking this red shade from the palette, I am layering it on top of that orange. Taking this shadow from the Element of Surprise palette, I am putting it all over my eyelid with the help of a flat shader brush. Taking this Colourpop concealer and using a flat shader brush, I am putting it in the middle of my eyelid. Taking this pretty shade from the Colourpop's Element of Surprise palette, I am putting it on top of the concealer, and this color along with the red and purple absolutely looks amazing. Going back to the color and intensifying my crease a bit. Now with this color, I am going to be smoking out my lower lash line. I am quickly finishing my eyeliner and kajal off camera and coming back. Going ahead with this mascara from Maybelline, which is my absolute favorite, and I would definitely recommend you guys too. For bronzer, I am using this Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. You can go ahead and use any other bronzer which are available in the market. For blush, I am using this shade from Kylie Cosmetics. It gives a very pretty peachy pinky glow. Precious Petals from Wet n Wild is my absolute favorite, and I can't get enough of the highlighter. This shade from Maybelline is such a pretty one, and I think you guys should definitely try it too for the festive season. I think you would love it. So guys, this is the finished result. I absolutely love how the look turned out. I am in love with the purple reddish eye, and let me know in the comment section if you guys like it too. I'm sure you do. And also let me know in the comment section the kind of videos you want me to make. You know I love creating videos that you guys recommend. I love you guys so much. I'll be back super soon with yet another interesting video. Till then, be happy, keep smiling. Bye.